Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you my MS story. How I got offered my Birkin 30 prior purchase, and also the comparison between the size 30 and the size 35. So in today's video, I just want to share with you my purchase history before I got my Birkin 30 offers and what do I do in terms of communicating with my SA. And also I have a chance to compare the size 30 with the size 35. So here are the list of items that I purchased before the offer of the Birkin 30, and this is after the offer of the Kelly 32. So I didn't purchase a lot this time. I purchased a lot more before I got offered the Kelly. I purchased way too much before I got offered the Kellys, but after I got offered the Kelly, I kind of slowing down in terms of purchasing. I purchased a pair of Oasis sandal in the colors black. Of course, I always go for the classic. Also, I got purchased a ring. It's a very simple ring, and the retail for the ring is only $1,500. Also, I got a Rodeo from him, which is super cute actually. I did get a pair of Twilly from him as well, and also two mini evelyn. I did purchase a Garden Party 30 in the canvas. Instead of the faux leathers, I got the canvas one, and it's super cute, but the color is kind of sad. But yeah, so those are all the items that I purchased before he offered me the Birkin 30. So this time, I think that I didn't purchase like crazy at all. I did very little damage, but still I got offered Birkin 30. So I think that this spending history doesn't really affect the chance of me getting the offer. I think I got in a really good relationship with my SA, and that is what get me this second offer. So on the day that I went to pick up my Birkin 30, I went in with my best friend and she got the same bag. She got the Birkin in the color black and gold hardware, but her bag is in the size 35. So I am super happy that she have that bag. So here I am, I have a little video comparing the size 30 to the size 35. So I am roughly around 5 feet and 3. But with the heels, I'm maybe a little bit higher, taller I mean. So here is the size 30 and the size 35 on my body frame. So I feel pretty lucky that I have met such a wonderful essay. He has been really helpful to me. He always making sure that I got the piece that I am asking for. Sometimes he is a little late in replying to my message, but I totally understand he is super busy. So Chicago is a super busy store. And also, I am not mad at all if he haven't answered my question in like 2 days. That means that today he is not into work. So I am waiting for him patiently, and normally after 3 days and he still haven't replied to my message, then I will text again. But I am not like going into texting him every single day, but I am not gonna go at like 3 weeks without texting him. I make sure that he remember who I am. So I always text him, you know, maybe once in, I am not going to say once a week because again, that is a little too much as well. So maybe every once in a while, whenever I totally remember, oh, I have to text Peter, then I will text him. So I will be like, oh, I saw this on someone post and I saw it on Instagram, or maybe I saw it on Facebook. And I am totally falling in love with this. It could be something totally random, like just a Twilly maybe. But then he will remember who I am, actually. So something small, but you know, keep tag on your essay. Or maybe once a while, I will text him and ask him, oh, is there a new shipment coming in? Is there anything fun? Is there, you know, mini Evelyn? I am not asking for Picotin at this point because I cannot purchase any more Picotin until next year. I have purchased all the limit of the Picotin at this point, so no Picotin for me this year. I know, I know I'm crazy for the Picotin in the first month. You know, the first month I get it into Hermès, I was so crazy for the Picotin. So now I am no longer into Picotin. Seriously, no longer into Picotin at all. After I got so many of the Picotin in my collection. So I asked him if, oh, do you have a mini Lindy or do you have a mini 2424? I am in love with that style lately, and also I am asking for maybe a pair of shoes that I saw someone post. Most of the time they don't have it, so he gonna go look for it, but then that is a great way for him to remember who I am, you know. So make sure that you text your essay often so that your essay won't forget who you are. But please do not bother he and she so much that they will be tired of seeing your text messages. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is of some help to you if you in your journey of finding your Birkin or Kelly. And if you think this is helpful, please leave me a message down below, and also consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.